Slice and Bites presents Banane Qeema. Fry 3 medium onions, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, black cardamom, cumin in 1/2 cup oil. Sauté until translucent, then remove half onion. Add minced meat 750 grams, fry for 2 minutes, then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Fry until it changes color, then add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add to medium tomatoes and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Then stir them for 3 to 4 minutes. Add dried red chilies and green chilies 6-7. Add remaining onion and mix. And done!